Please have your phone level here in the warning area.
Gomeng.
Okay, all yung staging area, lahat mo ng players, coaches, na wala mo assist for you.
Nice one, Meg. Nice one.
Once again, pay attention of everyone. Pag-ilig yung scoring area, kung saan ang staging area, huwag po papasok ng hindi maglalaro o hindi nag-a-assist na coach.
Ah. Nice one. Nice one, Meg. Nice one.
Let's proceed to the women. Seniors traditional
Nice one.
single weapon 18 to 39 years old women. Bronze medalist Trisha Anglino of PUP. Silver medalist Geraldine Cañete of
Wala na hangin.
Artist TV. Espera.
Gomeng. Banat, Meg. Nice one. Nice one. Agay ah.
Hold the attention of Sierra. Please proceed to the table number 4.
Seniors traditional Lanyon local weapon 18 to 39 years old. Bronze medalist Jonalyn Atiwan from Benguet Artist Federation. Silver medalist Sheena Minglarga of Rizal Technological University Team A. And gold medalist Geraldine Cañete from Philippine Army Eskrima Kari Artist Team B.
Martin City, Martin Miranda. 1.
Nice one.
Lagi hablar na Gista, bubos na ba? Lagi mo
Seniors bronze medalist Sheena Minglarga of Rizal Technological University Team A. Silver medalist May Ariana Ramos from Pasig City Artist Usada. And gold medalist Melanie Castro from
Nice one.
gold medalist Melanie Castro from PUP. Seniors non-traditional double weapon 18 to 39 years old women. Bronze medalist